Hi everyone, so I decided I'm going to start working on my design team project-ish thing, and I want to make like a Mother's Day junk journal type thing. So this is what I did so far, is covered the cover with a old scarf, and I loved this gorgeousness, so I'm like, yeah, let's do that. And I did not grab all my pages here. But I thought maybe this pretty lady would look cute on the cover. And again, it's kind of like a Mother's Day junk journal is what my plan is. So I'm going to take Artsystamper's beautiful artwork and digital stamps and make them a part of this cover and a part of the junk journal, so I'll be using it frequently. This one is the Hello Beautiful digital kit, and again, I just think it's so beautiful. All her digitals are beautiful, honestly. So this is what I know so far is what I want on the cover here. Not too sure exactly what I'm gonna do, but would that be kind of cute? Wherever it's at, I think so. Wherever I put it, that definitely goes together. So do that. Then I was thinking something to do with this. I didn't want to really cover all that up. So I don't think I like this idea. I'm wondering if I have some, like, other pieces I could be using. Just to grunge it up a little. And this way I'm not like hiding everything, because it is such a beautiful scarf underneath it. I like them layers, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that one. Or I could do some cheesecloth underneath it. Like this. Add some cheesecloth underneath. Don't necessarily have to have it covered with cheesecloth, just maybe in the background of her head. Cheesecloth, and then this. Yeah, I think I'm going to have the cheesecloth overhead. I coffee dyed some cheesecloth this week, so just stretching it out and playing with it a little bit here. Just to give it a little bit more three-dimensional feeling here. I think the issue is it ain't. They're not crunched up yet. The paper. Still giving this and I'm just doing a quick espresso staining over this. I noticed there's a lot of card makers. Wish I was into making cards. Like some of these people. Yeah, I kind of like that. It just grunges it up just a little bit so it ain't so pristine exactly. I kind of like that. Maybe instead of the one thing I was going to do with the Hello Beautiful, we just have some of this hang off it. Or come from underneath. Yeah, I kind of like that lace directly underneath it. Like that. So what I'm going to do is this. So it's the exact size I want it. There we go. Yeah, I kind of just like that. Something simplistic, but yet gives it a little bit of pop. And I like that underneath that one. Alright, I'm gonna click the, or transition quick. I have to go get my Fabri-Tac. Be right back. Sorry about that. It was real quick. Now I got my Fabri-Tac to use. I'm just going to do a quick thing like that to lay this down. First things first, we're going to just stick this right on the edge here. And we're going to stick this down. There we go. There. Beautiful. Then I think I'm correct in some of these papers. I have a small little butterfly, and I'm just going to stick her right here. So I'm just gonna take this one and just stick her. I kind of want to stick her in here somehow. That looks good. But of course I have to grunge it up because I use such white paper. And it won't match the other papers. I figured out how to make them different sizes and all kinds of stuff with my computer, so I was having a bit of fun trying to figure out how I was going to do all this. So, got this. There. So, this is what it looks like, the cover. I kind of like the cover the way it is right now. Love it. So, that's how I'm going to keep it. So now that we're done with the cover, I will make another video of the different things I am doing, because this next one ain't too much about this, but about something else. So see you later. Bye.